Everybody, welcome to my channel. I had a product that I wanted to share with you today that is new to me, and I thought I would try it out for two reasons. Number one, it was in the game category, and I thought that would be fun for my family, and as well as it could be a group game, as well as just art prompt cards. Creatures, spelled differently, like creators. Creatures, art generating prompt cards, 150 of them for endless mythical creature animal ideas. Combination of a great many things here. And here's the back of the package. We've got subject, large subject, medium, small. The large is like a whale, elephant, hippo. Okay, so it's got pen and ink, just ink drawings there. The mediums are more koala, octopus, etc. And then the smalls are things like spiders and chipmunks and dragonflies and obviously smaller things. So those are those decks. Then you have, here's a little rule card. Then you have two-headed, abstract, baby, cottontail, grandma, so some different super challenge, mixed in detail. So I guess this is the detail part of it. And then the green, let's see what those look like actually on the other side. Oh, what's this? Include food, horns, green ones that are the habitat, so where they live. So where does your creature live? So we've got things like the beach, castle, circus, ghost town. Quite an interesting deck. Now how you play is, if you were going to do this, is you shuffle and sort into 5 category colors. So small, medium, large, the subjects, the details, and the habitats. Then you flip 5 prompt cards, 1 of each color stack, and then imagine any of those as one whole art piece, generating unique ideas from that 5 card combination. And then you're going to draw it and name it, and it will be the new mythical creature. So there's like a dotted grid on there for scale. I guess you could count how many dots it was, kind of like those line grid ones, if you have trouble with that. Okay, so let's pick a subject. Okay, let's pick one of those. Let's pick one of those. And it's saying if 3 of these are too many, you could just stick with 2. Let's do a detail and a habitat. So we have a large, we have a panda. Medium, we have a peacock. Small, we have a tree frog. The detail is it's got to have fangs or toothless. And then the habitat is a nightmare or underworld. Oh my, okay. Let me think for a minute here. Okay, so it's got to have fangs or toothless, nightmare, underworld. So those are kind of the driving force here. And then something or from each of these, sort of start with the panda head. Not that you have to do it that way. What's nice about this is it could be different every time. I'm going to keep it smaller scale because I'm not sure where I'm going with this. His little eyes goes out. Then somehow we've got to put a peacock and a tree frog, and fangs or toothless. Well, let's give him fangs, because why not? Let's give him a tree frog body. Peacock element. What are we going to do for that? Of course, the peacocks have these things coming out here, so we can give him some peacocky little sprays there. Guys here, more feathery things. Great idea someone had. This is great if you're a writer too. If you're, having trouble coming up with creatures that are different. We can't forget about our nightmare underworld here. Put some over here. Nightmare and Underworld. So that's what we're doing for our habitat. So Underworld. Okay, so I'm going to switch to a voiceover here, speed this up. So I've got my creature and I'm painting my underworld. I thought I'd make it sort of like a cave with sort of fiery, and I got this pink from my Caran d'Ache Neo Color too, and it was a little too bright. It wasn't very underworldly. So I'm trying to darken it up here with some other darker colors. Then I switched to some watercolors to make him, I was trying to channel those peacock colors of blues and greens. So I have, actually it's a Prima Marketing, the Currents, it's called Currents. It's got lots of beautiful blues and greens for like the ocean. So that obviously I'm going to layer some more up there using my pen that is waterproof to go in and start giving some details. Sadly, I have those other two flowers on top there. It's a little distracting, so sorry about that. Enhancing those peacock eye feathery things and that frog body. It's a little weird, but it was fun. Again, going in once that watercolor's dry and starting to layer some colors. Here I'm bringing that green in. Again, channeling the peacock part of this. But for three completely different creatures, I thought it turned out okay. It's got a bear head, peacock elements, colors, and a frog body. Or the frog body is probably the weakest part of this, I think. Going with the Posca pen just to bring out some more definition and give myself, starting to see it come together with the white as well. And yeah, it's a fun game. Check it out. It'd be fun, almost like a Pictionary night, only drawing these as, your game night. But yeah, I'll leave links below. Thanks, guys, for joining me. I hope you have a great day.